Let me ask you this. What's stopping you from turning your knowledge into a profitable video course? Is it the tech headaches? The hours spent trying to figure out where to start? Constant pains in researching for the hottest niches? Or the expensive freelancers and complicated software that seem impossible to use? Here's the truth. The e-learning market is set to cross $1 trillion by 2028, and with more and more online visitors willing to learn from the comfort of their homes, the need for creating and selling video courses is on a meteoric rise and will continue to prosper in the coming decade. I know you're feeling excited and want to grab your share from this untapped opportunity. But there are some problems up your sleeve. Problem 1. Creating your first video course can be complicated and time-consuming. Problem 2. Using third-party video course platforms comes with numerous challenges. Problem 3. Driving traffic on your courses has its own perils. Problem 4. Hiring professionals is too expensive. I know you're feeling sad and heartbroken. Now, imagine getting your hands on the revolutionary AI technology that helps grab your share from the huge $465 billion e-learning industry, and even create and sell tons of profitable video courses online for zero monthly or yearly fees. And do all this at a fraction of a cost that's less than dinner for two. If that sounds good, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting AI Teachify. Amazingly simple, one-click AI tech lets anyone create tons of profitable video courses online and start their own course-selling empire in 3 easy clicks. AI Teachify works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Login. Step 2. Insert keyword. Step 3. Sell and profit. Just follow these 3 easy steps to create and sell tons of professional video courses to your clients, local business owners, with zero prior video creation, designing, and other tech skills ever. Here are some of the amazing features of AI Teachify. First to market AI tech converts any keyword into professional video courses in 3 clicks. Resolve all doubts and boost viewer attention with dedicated 24/7 human-like AI mentors. Grab your share from $1 trillion e-learning industry with no prior tech or marketing skills. Become instant authority by building courses in hottest niches. Zero grunt work as AI does everything, even when you're on the move. Create thousands of mind-blowing, 100% unique video courses with just idea, keyword, or any prompt. AI-generated topics and subtopics for effortless course creation. Create engaging ebook courses in text and image formats. Set your own subscription fees and charge as and when you like. Sell these world-class courses on your own Fiverr and Upwork like marketplace. And stop paying huge commissions. Maximize engagement by creating interactive AI quizzes for your audience. Download and share video courses on top social platforms for maximum engagement. Easily accept payments globally with PayPal, Stripe, and all major payment gateways, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Remember, your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. Just go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry! Once this special time period is over, AI Teachify will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So, stop thinking and grab AI Teachify today at the lowest price ever. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.
AI Teachify software. In this video, I'm going to show the detailed tutorial with demo working of this platform. After your sign up, you'll need to start with the login page. Fill your login details and click Sign In button to get into the dashboard. After login, your page will be loaded. In this, we have created a sample works. Now, to generate a course, step 1, you'll need to click on the Generate Course button on the top right corner. Step 2, you'll need to enter the main title of the course and their subtopics in it. Here you can add up to 10 subtopics according to the course length, and you can also remove the subtopic by clicking Remove Subtopic option. Here I'm entering 4 subtopics. Step 3, after entering subtopics, you'll need to choose the type of the course. Choose the course type you need, and you can choose the course language from the drop-down list. It supports multiple languages. After all, click Submit button to generate the course. After a few seconds, it will show the course topics in it. After checking all, click Generate Course option down below. The AI now have created a full course with the topics you gave. Now here you can view the course contents, and there's a AI teachers also there for the help. You want notes to take down? There's a notes option to take down your important points. After completing the full course one by one, there will be final quiz to get a certificate. After successful completion of quiz, you'll get the certificate. Important. You must be very careful while registering your details while sign up, because your name will be printed on the certificate with the name you gave in the registering your account. Want to export the course? Here's the option to do that. You can export the course in PDF format. Want to share the course link? There's an option to do that too. Prefer dark mode and light mode? There's the icon to change it. When you click Home button, you'll see the list of courses that you created. And want to change the account details? Click the profile and you can change the details like name, password. Here's the detailed tutorial with live demo of AI Teachify. Thanks for watching.